My younger brothers and sisters, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are assembled here and topic is that God is power. God is power and how it's helping us, because He is powerful. He is powerful and mighty. No one has equal power to God. God is most powerful, omnipresent. He is everywhere. He is pervading in all. In us there is the light of God. With the power of God I am speaking. With the power of God you are listening. With the power of God everything in this universe is rotating according to His hukam. What we are searching. God is powerful. Man needs power. His hidden intuition, hidden demand in his mind is there. I must be the powerful person. Power is God. Each and every power is coming from Him. I can't put my hand there without His power. If this understanding we are ready to grasp, then we will be on the way to realize the hukam. Hukam hai bujhe ta andar sujhe. If we go near, if we ready, complete ready for the acceptance that God is powerful, He is mighty, and I have got the might from Him. With His might, with His power, I am wandering, I am doing, I am listening. Whatever we want to get, we want bliss, and from where we can realize bliss. Okay, one thing is there, we work hard, this or that way. For what we are working? Our basic needs are limited. Necessities are limited. But beyond the necessities, we need the money, we need the power. We want to show to the entire world that we are the powerful person of the world. I am beautiest person in this world. Because I listened on the TV and last days that 33% of the GDP we are wasting only for the beautiness in the beauty parlors. 33% we are wasting because we want to show I am the beautiest in this world. But from where you may get the bliss? Okay, it's fine. Everything should look beauteous. But it's a not a way to get the bliss, to realize the bliss. We may realize bliss inside us through Shabad. Way is different. Someone is trying for bliss, but his way is wrong. He may be happy, he might be happy with his own efforts. But happiness and bliss are different. Bliss will come through Shabad Guru. Initial stage through the teaching. Then the acceptance of the individual. if we accept. Total acceptance should be there. Total acceptance must be there. We are pouring our energy, our power, which we have got from God. If we are not using that power for the realization of bliss, because bliss is God, then our way is different, because each and every person wants bliss in his life, in this universe. He wants to be blissful. But from the other angles, if he or she is working, they are getting the powerful power. They are showing that the power in front of family, in front of society, in front of other countries. What is happening? They need the bliss, and bliss is not on that way. Happiness is there. Means it's very hot. I am sitting here. Due to this AC, my body is relaxed. Okay. I can work. A little form of happiness is there. But if I am worried here, I am sitting in this very cold hall or room, and outside is very hot. I am anxious. I am suffering by the negative thoughts. I am worried. Apprehension is in my mind. Not bliss is there. Only for few minutes when I came here from outside was hot, inside was cold due to the AC. My body relaxed. That was happiness. And it will be converted into suffering when I will go out from here, because outside is hot. Means what I want to say, whatever we are doing from the other angles, because we are searching, we want to realize bliss in our life must be blissful, way is wrong. What is the right way? First of all, be ready to accept the teachings of the Guru. What Guru is saying? Guru is saying we are getting the might, the power from God. And talking about God are there in Guru Granth Sahib Ji and Shabad Guru. And Shabad Guru must be the part of my mind. Shabad Guru, the teachings of the Guru must be a part of my mind. Then if part is there, then negative thoughts will be away from there. Negativity can't reside in mind if Shabad Guru is there. Negativity can't prevail there, because Shabad is positive. Teachings are positive. Teachings of brotherhood, which is positive. Teachings of equality, which is positive. Teachings of acceptance that God is mighty and we are in creation, just little bubbles in the ocean. What will be the age we don't know. Bubble doesn't know when it will blow off. The same thing we must accept in our mind. Total acceptance is needed there. Total acceptance is needed there. If total acceptance that we are ready to grasp the teachings of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. If we grasp the teaching, then in our mind positive thought will be there, positivity will be there, and next journey will be started after that. Next journey will be started. एक निमक सिमरत जित छूटे, chant the name Vaheguru. After that it will be fruitful. Before that it's fruitful, but entanglements, our desires, the energy, negative energy of our desires consumes it. Vaheguru chanting is a power. But after virtues took place in your mind, vices should not prevail there. Before that, Vaheguru is power, but the desires are having the energy, they consume the power. It must be taken into account. When we are going on the road of Vaheguru, on the way to God, way to realization of God, contemplation of God, we get the power, but power is coming from God. Vaheguru. All world is getting the power from Vaheguru. And it's not useless we are here. We are now getting the energy from Vaheguru. We will feel energetic from when we go from here, from God, from Vaheguru. Because He is powerful. सबको आसे तेरी बैठा means inside the depth of our consciousness. In our consciousness, what we need only God, realization of God. God is there, realization of God, because a world is a play. Through entanglements, realization of God must be prevailed there. सबको आसे तेरी बैठा, काट काट अंतर तू ही बूठा. All desire God only, bliss is God. Only one example we have set here. Bliss is God, and everyone needs bliss. Ways are different. Real way is only one. On real way we are sitting here, we are listening, we are speaking, we are grasping virtues, we are dispelling the vices. If the virtues are more in the mind, automatically no need to worry about the vices. Vices will be off from there. They will be off because virtues are more. सबको आसे तेरी बैठा, काट काट अंतर तू ही बूठा. You are everywhere. You are omnipresent. You are omnipowerful. But we need, He is helping us. What we need to do anything, power. He is power. सबको आसे तेरी बैठ. तू सूत मणिये पी तू है means if we see a rosary in there so many beads, thread is there, and one bead is big, all are other smalls. Like the rosary, this world is also. There is sun, there is earth, there are stars, there is moon. Moon is revolving the earth, earth is revolving the sun. Everything is revolving according to the hukam, according to the rict of God. In the rosary, The thread is also God. Power is also God. The beads are also God. The topmost bead, big bead, one big bead, it is also God. Means in the rosary there is thread, there are beads, there is a big bead, all are God. Notice God. Rosary, like rosary, this world is there. This world is like the rosary. Everything is gripped by the God. In the form of wave, God is everywhere. He is omnipresent. He is omnipowerful. Everyone is God. Everything is God. He is power. तू सूत मणिये पी तू है. You are thread and you are beads. You are sun, you are earth, you are moon, you are stars. And this is only our sun. So many suns are there. तू सूत मणिये पी तू है. तू सूत मणिये पी तू है. तू गंठी, you are the knot. सिर मेयर तू है. The prime beat, you are there. You are everything. Topmost beat in the rosary, you are. All are other beats, you are. Thread, you are. Knot, you are. Everything, you are. Because tu Sanja Sahib, Baap Hamara. It's the power of you. You are our Father. In the Gurbani, it has been said, Tu Sanja Sahib, Baap Hamara, you are the common father of your creation. If we set the example, all the human beings have only one father, and that is God, and that is most powerful. Tu Sanja Sahib, Baap Hamara, Now nid tere akhut pandara. 9 treasures you are having. Everything is coming from you. You are Father. You are powerful. We accepting, we gathering, we collecting power from you. We must accept it. Tu Sanja Sahib Baap Hamara. Now nid tere akhut pandara. Akhut pandara. Stock. Inexhaustible stock, which is not going to be ended. Inexhaustible warehouse. Stockhouse. Which will not be ended. Because God is power. Everything is coming from Him. Tu Sanja Sahib, Baap Hamara, you are my Father. You are the Father of all the creation. You are the Father of all brothers, sisters, all the children. We are here more than 100 people, and He is common Father of us. And our Father is most powerful, omnipresent, omnipowerful. But acceptance, we have to look wide for that. Look wide. Look must be wide. Tu Sanja Sahib Baap Hamara, are we ready to accept this? Is a common Father? Or we have different fathers. Our thinking is stopped only on this point. My father is different, your father is different. But my father is God. My father's father is also God. My grandfather's father is also God. Are we ready to accept this? From mind, not only by saying He is our Father, not. acceptance in mind, a deep acceptance. After that we will say, whatever he is doing, what is happening with me, he knows everything, and whatever he is doing, he will do well. Nothing is going to happen wrong with me. Nothing will happen wrong. Everything is good. If this type of thinking we start, then we near to understand the hukam, direct. Hukam is this: what is happening, it's good. What will happen, it's good. What has happened, it's good. Everything has happened by the will of God. What is happening by the will of God? What will happen by the will of God? Because He is our Father. And Father never thinks bad about His children. And if we have the acceptance in our mind, He is the Father, and we are the children, and Father doesn't do anything wrong with His creation, with His children, then we need to realize the hukam, realize. So powerful God is our Father. Tu sanja sahib baap hamara. Sabko asya teri baithai, and every person in this world needs bliss. Bliss comes from God. Bliss is the form of God. So acceptance must be deep, not from outside. Deep acceptance. Okay, my Father is there, no need to worry about anything. He will do what He will do, that will be right for me. Then nothing will be wrong, because acceptance is there. So He is powerful, He is Father. Power is God. We will be continue. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki